She's like.
Doing good, Livy.
Oh my God.
Cheater!
Cheater.
Sit in the middle.
Cheater.
See her cheating?
Cheater.
Oh. No, it's okay. Leave her alone. She can get it. She's good. Like you step back a little bit. That way you're not making the hill. Uh-oh. Did you fall down? Oh, no.
I think she's getting tired.
There you are. Uh-oh.
Good job, Livy.
She's like, wait, what did I do?
Right?
She took a step like.
You're doing so good, big girl.
Taking a lot of steps right now.
Yes, she is.
Are you gonna walk the sissy? Or maybe
This is the most steps Olivia's taken so far.
Huh?
I said this is the most steps she's taken so far.
She's walked at least like 50.
Up till now, she's only done 1 or 2 steps at a time.
Yeah, but she's done them over and over and over and over. Put her in the middle.
This is the first time she's walked a lot. I guess she only likes walking on a trampoline.
Okay, sit down. What's bounce? No, we're gonna try to get Olivia to walk, okay?
Okay, one more time and then let Ike do some bouncing.
One more time. Actually, I'll go to you.
Yeah, she's getting wore out.
Oh, don't you dare cheat.
See, I get tired, sissy. Learning to walk is hard work. What's wrong? Help him, sis.
I'll help you.
Go help your brother. Thank you.
Olivia's like,
Here she comes to help you, Ike.